CELPIP Reading Test Overview. So what is included in CELPIP reading? First of all, there is always a practice task which includes 1 minute. So one question, it's a non-scored question, but it's for giving you like a warm-up and to get familiar and comfortable with the format. Then you get the reading correspondence, which is usually around 11 minutes. And first, second, and third. Reading correspondence, reading for information, reading viewpoints. Each of them are further divided into 2 parts, which we will discuss in a later video. But today we will just see what kind of questions do we get in CELPIP reading. So CELPIP reading, first part, that is reading correspondence. It includes 11 questions, 11 minutes. So both the parts are divided like 5 and 6. So you read, it's a personal email. So you first, the questions are you read and answer them, and after that you reply to that email, or it's just like a summary kind of question. So it's focus on your tone, intent, and details. Second one is your reading to apply a diagram, in which you are giving like a pamphlet, some kind of poster, or some kind of information in a diagram form, with which you are given 8 questions and 9 minutes. It usually contains of a letter in which you have to reply. You have to fill the words and everything. It's usually for charts, schedules, and you have to match the details. Third one is 9 questions and 10. I always say third part, it's similar to IELTS. The one you do the question like in which paragraph have they talked about this sentence, or where we have discussed about this. So it's article or notice, and it usually has A to D paragraphs plus E is as none of above. So basically the text is low, you have to read from 4 paragraphs, scan keywords and specific details. Fifth one is read for viewpoints. So it's 13 minutes and you get 10 questions. The first 5 are always MCQs, which usually takes time, and what students believe is by the time they reach section 4, the level of reading gets a little higher, just to understand you guys better or to test you guys. But nothing is harder if we do proper practice. This include analyze opinions or arguments and understanding perspective and supporting ideas. So with MCQ plus it's a summary. So overall reading, it's usually between 55 to 60 minutes and includes around 38 questions.